In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this DOOGEE. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Following that, click on one of your apps. I will go with Messages and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I click, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. Then click on the back button. As you can see, after that, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always pick any app and scroll all the way down instead. This way you can access all permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!